Welcome back to the Mount Matt Medical YouTube channel. Thanks for hanging out. In today's video, we're going to talk about a course that I went to, a combat course with Integrative Defensive Strategies, a company owned by Mr. Todd Fosse. He invited me out to come give an active shooter trauma class to his level 6 instructors, and it was quite an experience. I learned a lot. I tested myself a lot. I'm still dealing with the repercussions of that class to this day. And it was a lot of fun. So hang out. Let's talk about that next. So something that's been important to me over the period of my life is I really enjoy the study of combat. I've been able to participate in a couple of different forms in real life, and I found it very exciting and interesting. And it's always been something ever since I was a kid that I've always wanted to get better at. So I've practiced a couple of different forms of martial arts over the years, off and on, never really with any kind of dedication. I'm an excellent shooter. I can shoot rifle, pistol, and shotgun well above average, but I've never really focused on my hand-to-hand fighting skills really that much. I know enough to know how little I know. I've been in a few scraps in my time, and they've gone pretty well for me. A lot of the times I use my strength and size to my advantage. And if I am in a situation where that strength and size does not matter, then I'm in a bad place. And you don't want to be using your gun to handle every situation, right? That whole adage of if all you have is a hammer, every problem is a nail. So this is the main philosophy behind Integrative Defensive Strategies, a combat school that likes to teach its students not only gunfighting tactics, but also hand-to-hand skills and medical skills, because they believe in having a very well-rounded warrior and citizen defender. So I really wholeheartedly agree with that approach. A lot of my philosophy behind medical is that it is one of those subsets of combat that usually doesn't get paid attention to by the civilian class. There's a lot of emphasis that goes into shooting and moving and all that stuff because it's very glamorous, it looks cool, and it's very high viral hits that are available. So trust me, I get it. The gun stuff, it's super sexy. I love it too. And I enjoy watching a good run and gun video with people just doing tactical and speed reloads, just super clean and fast and looking very sexy. I get it. But combat and fighting is a multifaceted endeavor. There's a lot of things that go into fighting, and a lot of times people only focus on the gun stuff. And so the concept behind IDS is it tries to focus on a holistic approach to fighting and self-defense as opposed to just focusing on one single aspect of it, like trauma medicine, like I do. So I believe trauma medicine is one of those important key self-defense items that most people don't really think about for the most part. Now, it is becoming a lot more trendy. You're starting to see trauma kits in a lot more places. I'm talking to people on a lot more regular of a basis who have trauma gear either on them, on their body, on their person right now, or it's very close and nearby in a bag or even in their vehicle. So it's becoming a lot more commonplace to see this stuff, which is fantastic. But again, not everybody knows that you're more likely to use your trauma kit than it is for your pistol. So having a trauma kit and the skills to use it is going to be essential. So I know for myself, one of the primary values that I get from the jiu-jitsu and the grappling is that I get beaten a lot, over and over and over again. And it humbles you and it makes you realize, that you have places that you need to go and you need to grow. And that, I think, is one of the primary mental exercises of jiu-jitsu or grappling or sport, is that there's no way you can be perfect at it. And it gives you something to work for and to achieve and to grow in. And the mental side of it is just as, if not more important than the physical. So if you guys are interested in upping your self-defense game, you want to actually see what it's really like to have a gun on you and then to try to fight somebody who's close enough to put hands on you, I highly recommend that you check out Integrative Defensive Strategies. They have a fantastic curriculum. There are affiliates that are teaching their program all over the place, and it was eye-opening and I think incredibly valuable. All right, guys, thanks for checking out this video on the integrative defensive strategies. This is a fantastic program. I think if you were to check it out, you would up your self-defense game by a lot. And don't forget, medical is a part of that. Head over to mountainmanmedical.com. Check out our emergency trauma response course. It's totally free. It'll teach you everything that you need to know about the items in your trauma kit so that you can help somebody when they need it the most. Don't forget to hit a like and subscribe. Be ready for whatever the mountain throws at you. I'll catch you guys in the next one.